a student in class 9 for Phú Đông Lower Secondary School. I live in Đồng Nai. Today I talk about bún bò Huế. Bún bò Huế is a traditional specialty Vietnam to make from beef, rice, noodle, and pork. It is still made in the traditional way, but there are also modern variations. You can eat every time, but breakfast is most common. Bún bò Huế is famous in Vietnam and also now in many other countries.